So your phone is...
I was sleeping. Look, you see my eyes?
What were you complaining about?
Hold on, I literally just woke up. I opened my eyes and I hear ding ding. Look at my baby.
Get out of my face.
I haven't seen. Woo! So, oh my god! No, bro, I was sleeping.
This place is so disgusting. I can't even sit anywhere. It's so disgusting. There's thinking people everywhere.
Look, I'm so delirious. I just woke up from slumber. What's your name?
Me?
Yes, you.
My name is Madina.
Oh, say it again one time for the one time.
Get my ashy ankles.
Yes, bring it. Because I had to carry my own, I won't help you.
Shut up! What?
This trash. In big bold letters. Okay. MD 4040. You said bling bling?
This is bling bling.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Should I do Jackie Daniels?
Whatever makes you happy.
I'll just do my smile on eyes. It's coming.
Oh, the baby. The baby's paying for. How do you feel about the baby paying for our drinks?
Yeah, I feel a lot better if I didn't have to pay her back.
Right, right.
So should I get something that matches my nails? Sweet 16.
I'll deal with you. I will deal with you. New Orleans loves us. Look what it used to be on.
Man, tell me that one bottle. I don't even know what it is.
Give her your hands, crazy. Yes, they're hooking us up. Wow. Sorry. I'm so sorry. This place is amazing.
If you come through New Orleans, you know where to go. We in the warehouse, we doing it, and we gonna be all right.
Yes.
Come on.
No.
He got chunky.
I woke up from a nap.
That means he's been in a relationship.
And we're on our way to dinner.
But what's your DC? Brunch party too long.
Exactly, and all the brunch not partying enough.
Every blessed day.
Feeling so deep in my feelings. Wow, look at these babes. Look at these babes. All right, we're in New Orleans. Meeting up with everybody. Why is this girl sleeping like she's an innocent? Look at how she's just posing in her sleep with all makeup on still. Sleep idiots.
Balls in the motherfucking house. Come on. Do it, baby. Number one, Bobo. I chop rappers like Obolo and Kanda, and my name is Obaito that we know.
Daddy yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for them.
So far so good though, I dey thank God oh, for the place where I dey today. Everybody say, Iboni wa mo. Everybody say, Meri we go mo. Afrika go mo. Meri we go mo. Iboni wa mo. Ekisubuni wa kai.
I got Sarag, nigga.
Sarag, nigga, when do you have?
I got Sarag.
Hey,
I'm sipping on Sarag.
I'm sipping on that healthy shit, you feel me? But
That bitch has Sarag in there.
hey, don't insult me. Just kidding, I have to rock too. I'm not.
We're talking about 534 is what we're talking about right now.
So we're gonna miss everything.
Okay, y'all, we in NOLA, baby. Yes, baby. Dan, say what's up to the camera.
What's up to the camera?
Okay. We got Sandy, Ashley, Madina, bitch, and Hannah,
So we're trying to go to this damn, I don't even know, it might be a picnic, it might be a kickback.
Bruh, it's 5:33. It's over.
We're trying to get some leftovers at this point. 2 o'clock! No, but they actually started at 3, so we might make it. So yeah, we're trying to get to this right now, y'all. We'll see if we make it. If not, so be it. We're ready for the next event, honestly. Everybody's looking sweet. So we'll be on time for that one.
What is it? Flavor of love?
Yeah, flavor of love.
Flavor of love.
But yeah, y'all, we've been drinking, you know, smoke a rock, smoke a leaf, so I've been drinking.
Watermelon.
Softboards.
I'm Red Bull.
Softboards.
And eat the cake.
Eat the cake on a man. But yeah, y'all, we tryna live out here, you feel me? We tryna function.
Please clear the way for them to come.
I'm clearing the way, man. Sorry. What are you doing? What's going on, bro? Wow.
Okay. Hey! Dancing. We gotta mention. Nice for what?
Hey. New day. Look at. Wow. I'm just trying to show them your beauty, and you're just being disrespectful.
It's okay.
Pepito on the beat.
Swap.
Nobody's talking to you. It's a video.
All my people gotta go now. From Morile to Songo now. If you happy and you know now.
I got 100 straight out the mud, all they just say now. My mama from Bourbon, daddy from Oka, that's all in my name, homie. Take
Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Like you're going to war. Oh no! Take this bra off, man.
Why?
Because
Actually, these breasts are huge.
they're about to try some gator.
First time.
I want to get your expressions.
Okay, wait. Let me get it on my own snap. Y'all, I'm eating gator for the first time. This is out here living, doing different shit, you know, while pumping the fuck up.
Wow.
It's hot. Okay, so guys, now they're very fluffy texture. Just 3 minutes ago.
It's good.
I'm gonna like fish and chicken. It's weird.
Alligator. Well, how does it taste? Good. Okay.
It's not bad. Until you want more of my etouffee. So I want some.
The way that we're just passing and sharing food. It's nice.
Try some of your tomato.
Wow.
Come try this. Okay, daddy.
Oh wow.
It's mine. Hi, I'm Hannah Hope's friend. My name is Ashley Victoria. Oh wait, hello sir. Would you be Hi, we're in a video. Would you be able to say something for me? Can you say, okay, can you say something that's like New Orleans authentic? Like
Are you big Christy?
I can say baby.
baby.
Bon roulette.
Yeah.
It's French. I mean, let the good times roll.
Oh, wait, say it again. Hold on.
Hold on. Le bon temps roulette means so le bon temps roulette. Let the good times roll.
Okay.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Hey, and I need you. Okay. Oh shit. Oh. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. And I need you. Say you never ever leave from beside me. Okay.
So we're going to Bourbon Street tonight. Oh gosh, look at them. Look at them running into the room. You guys, this trip has really just been about us. Yay. We're going to Bourbon Street though. So
We don't have rats in this room.
Yeah, no rats in this room.
The money are good. You can go to the funky pit outside.
Look at this one is a right. This one here. This one is a right. But this one is a malicha. This one is a right. Oh. Say back to vlog. Rat. Say back to vlog.
Okay.
Pepito on the beat.
Swap.
I knocked my foot because of